All right, here we go. We're going to use this diagram again. This diagram's coming back. I want to name two pairs of congruent angles. All right, angles. So I want to figure out which angles have the same tick marks, which ones match, which ones are the same. Okay, so two pair of congruent angles. All right, angles meaning, let's look at our tick mark. So I have one tick mark here. Is there another angle with one tick mark? This has 2 and a slash. This has 2. This has 3. 2 and a slash. Oh, there's another one with 1. So that means angle AMP is congruent to angle FGT. So let's keep going. That's one pair. Now let's look here. I got 2 and a slash. This has 3. This has 2. This one has 2 and a slash through it as well. So those two are going to be the same. They're going to be congruent. MPA is congruent to angle CFG. Name a pair of vertical angles. So there's a lot. There's a few that you could have named. Okay, that you can name here. This pair of angles right here is are vertical, and these two are vertical as well. Okay, so I could say a pair would be like angle MPH and angle APT. That would have been a pair. Or you could say angle MPA and HPT as well. Technically, this pair of angles could have been congruent too, even though they're not marked. All right, because they are vertical. Okay. Name a segment containing point F. Where's F? F is there. There's a few that you could use. I could say, FT. Remember, you just want to have a solid line over the top, or FC with a solid line, or FG, etc., etc. Name a ray starting at point T. Well, a ray, remember, starting with point T, the symbol matters, so I could say TF, and the starting point must be like a point, no line. Excuse me, no arrow. The arrow goes towards F. I could say TG. There's a number of combinations. I wrote a bunch out on the answer key. Just check that answer key for some combinations. All right, let's go to number 12. Number 12 says one of two supplementary angles is 10 less than 4 times the other. There's that word, the other again. The other, remember, we're going to call that X. 4 times the other, 4X. 10 less than that, less than means subtraction. If they're supplementary, they got that straight line. I'm not going to give you that diagram on the actual test itself. You're going to have to draw it yourself. But that's how I would set it up. So that means 5X minus 10 equals 180. So 5X equals 190. So X equals 38. So that's one angle, 38 degrees right here. That's my smaller one. I could plug that 38 into this equation, or I could just subtract it from 180 to find my other angle and get 142. Either one works for me. I'm going to pause there so we have the back page left. Yeah.